Hello everyone, today we will explain the height limit analysis function in road analysis. This function is used to analyze the height safety of power lines that cross roads in the direction of travel. It supports automatic measurement at regular intervals and report output. It is recommended to classify the point cloud before conducting the analysis. Before performing the height limit analysis of power lines, it is necessary to draw the power lines. After drawing the power lines, using the power line detection function in the road facilities module, activate the height limit analysis function and set the parameters as needed. The cylinder radius represents the sampling cylinder radius at the measurement point. The cylinder base represents the lower height of the sampling cylinder at the measurement point. There are two modes to select the target point. Lowest depth represents the average elevation of the lowest ground point in the valid layer within the cylinder. Highest depth represents the average elevation of the highest ground point in the valid layer within the cylinder. Here we choose the lowest depth mode. The step size represents the interval of the measurements. Since we have classified the point cloud, we select the ground point category. Then select the power lines to be analyzed. The selected power lines will be highlighted. Click on the left mouse button to select multiple power lines for analysis. Then click again with the left mouse to deselect. Here we use the power line closest to the ground for analysis. After clicking OK, the analysis will start. After the analysis is complete, the analysis lines are measured at equal intervals. The newly added layer, Analysis Limit Analysis, can be seen in the directory tree. Right-click and select Properties to view the attribute information of the analyzed lines. The height field records the height of each line to the target category. The height type value of 2 represents the line with the minimum height, and the height type of value 1 represents the line with the maximum height. Click the Height Limit Analysis Report button to select the folder to save the report. The analysis result will be generated in the report. After exporting the report, a prompt will ask you if you want to open the report. Click OK to see the report, which consists of a header, table of contents, and specific content sections. Click on Power Line Number in the table of contents to jump to the corresponding position. The Input Parameters table shows the parameters used in this detection. The Analysis Result Information section provides basic parameter information about the analyzed power lines, including the layer name, power line object FID, starting and ending position coordinates, minimum and maximum height, and coordinates of the location with the minimum and maximum height. The Analysis Result List is a list of the analyzed results, showing the numbers, position coordinates, and heights of all the measurements. It also shows the vertical section view of the power line analysis. After exporting the report, you can see the vector lines representing the minimum height in blue and vector lines representing the maximum height in red in the 3D window. This concludes the introduction of the height limit analysis function for power lines. Thank you for watching.